Hello viewers, welcome to Tummy and Cheeks with me Bonita. Let's learn how to cook this delicious shrimp pasta today. This is how it turned out to be. For that I've taken quarter kg of shrimps. These are shrimps cleaned and deveined. 10 to 15 pods of garlic unpeeled. 3 to 4 red chilies, pasta, 1 cup, pasta sauce, olive oil, milk, unsalted butter, salt, mozzarella cheese, mixed herbs 1 tablespoon. I've taken 2 cubes of cream cheese, black pepper powder 1 tablespoon. Let's get into the recipe. For that I'm gonna boil the pasta now. I've taken a saucepan and I'm adding in 1 liter of water. So this pasta took 10 to 12 minutes to fully cook. Whenever you buy the pasta, please check for the instruction of the cooking time. Now I've added in salt and some olive oil so that the pasta doesn't stick to each other. Give a good stir and then add in the pasta to the boiling water. Here goes in the pasta, and this took 10 to 12 minutes to get fully cooked. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please take a moment and do subscribe to our channel. Now side by side I kept another saucepan to make the pasta sauce. For that I'm adding 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. So we'll be preparing a sauce for the pasta, and this is a creamy sauce. So take it in unsalted butter, let it melt, and then I've taken the garlic. I've crushed the garlic very well, and then I'm adding it into the butter. Saute it for a minute or two until it turns golden brown and releases the aroma. Then I'm adding in red chilies. You can use red chili flakes as well, and the spice depends on how much you can tolerate. For this I've taken 3 red chilies, and then goes in prawns. This is a very easy pasta. It's easy and quite delicious. So the shrimps doesn't take a lot of time to cook, so ideally it's 2 or 3 minutes. Then goes in black pepper powder. So once you sort everything together, if you start doing the things simultaneously, then the task becomes easier. So that's the reason I've also started cooking my pasta sauce. So our shrimps are ready. Now I'm adding in the pasta sauce, which is store-bought. I've added in 3 to 4 tablespoons. It depends on the quantity you make. If you've taken more pasta, then add in 2 or 3 tablespoons extra. Let the tomato pasta sauce cook well until the raw smell goes. It's time to add the milk. This is 1 cup of milk, approximately 250 ml. Cook it well. Now we can see the bubbles. Then it's time to add our cream cheese. I've taken 2 cubes. Let the cheese melt in the sauce and dissolve completely. The sauce has started to thicken. Simultaneously, just check if the pasta is cooked. Now I've added in a teaspoon of salt and also the mixed herbs at this point. I also added in some butter to give the extra flavor. The sauce started to release some oil. And also our pasta is ready. Let's drain out the water. Once we drain the excess water, then we will add the pasta to the pasta sauce. Here goes in the pasta. Toss it well. You need to make sure that the sauce is really combined well. Don't break it, gently give it a stir. I added in the mozzarella cheese at this point. This is the last step. And before you serve, you can grate some cheese and add it as a topping. So the pasta is ready right now. It's time to serve the pasta. So it's a very easy and simple yet delicious dish. Please do give it a try. And thank you for watching Tummy and Cheeks. If you did like the recipe, then please give a like, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until then, take care. Bye.